Previously, under the Regulation 19 of the ROPA, statutory instrument number 67 of 2015, the validity of national IDs was prescribed as 10 years. However, in recognition of the need for immediate intervention, in August last year, the Ministry issued the Registration of Persons Amendment Regulations number 67 of 2024, which extended the validity period of all national identification cards issued by NIRA by 1 additional year. This was in light of the planned mass enrollment, which had delayed, so we wanted a stopgap measure.
Veteran Speaker, expiry dates are set by the Minister. In fact, Section 69 that you quoted is the one that gives you the mandate to set expiry dates. And I don't know your justification for setting 10 years. You did talk about wear and tear and the rest. NIRA by nature should be in position to provide continuous registration services without necessarily setting expiry dates. You are now finding ourselves in a very big dilemma, right, Honourable Speaker.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.